Okay, hi everyone.
Hi, I'm making cupcakes. Cha cha.
Okay, what is this?
The flower.
We're gonna cut the flour.
I'm making a flower.
Okay, you help? Okay, you did it. Okay, now put it in. Slowly. Slowly.
Wow. Flower.
Okay.
2 eggs.
No, how many eggs is here? 1, 2.
3.
Okay, let's put the water first, okay?
Okay.
Say 1 cup of water.
Cup water.
Uh-huh.
Hot water.
Okay, and 1/3 cup of butter. Okay, put butter in.
Butter.
You probably get a butter.
2 eggs.
3 eggs. Remember, 2 hands. Oh, good job.
Wow.
Okay. Let go. Let me help you.
And more eggs.
2 egg now. More. Crack more. Okay. Thank you.
And more eggs.
3rd egg. Oh, good job. That's beautiful. Okay.
Nice.
Nice. Yes, very nice.
I did it.
You did it. You want a napkin?
Napkin. Okay.
Okay. So everyone, you're gonna mix it now.
I mix.
Okay, nicely, slow.
I need help.
You need mommy's help? Okay. Wow.
Sit down.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, not yet.
Tasty.
It's tasty.
It's amazing.
Okay, now do it. Oh,
Tasty.
tasty.
And your turn.
My turn?
That
Okay.
little fucking apron of him. What? What? Oh, jeez.
Look down, Mommy.
That person is...
Look down, Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy, look down.
It's spill, yes.
Oh,
We have
no.
to clean it. Say clean up. All he has to clean up. Ha 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 ha. Clean. Wait. Jeez. I don't know if anyone want to eat your cupcake right now, cause you know. Oh, jeez. Is it yummy?
Mommy.
Tasty?
My tasty.
Oh, Polly!
Tasty.
Wait, you made me spill.
Your turn.
Wait, leave it there. Mommy is coming. Look, mommy do this. Yummy. Okay, let mommy help you mix it so we can put it in the...
One finger.
Hold on, mommy mix it.
Wait. Stop your neck. It help.
Okay, go like this.
Okay.
Wow. Jeez. Are you gonna eat it or...
Wow.
Is it delicious?
There's a book. One finger.
Polly.
Wait.
Polly.
Oh, cupcake good.
Say, okay, thank you for watching, everyone. Tell everyone bye. Polly's gonna bake it. Goodbye. I love you.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, here. We're gonna spray this. See if we have any more. Like this, okay? Okay, spray it.
Whoa!
Good job, you got it. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. You put in your finger? Okay, we're gonna pour it in. Hold on, slow.
Wow! One more. Mommy, more. Whee! Mommy, more time.
Hold on, slow.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Polly, wait.
Mommy, more. Wee. Mommy, I want pocket. My belt. Wow. Mommy, more.
Bring the other one. Bring the other one for mommy.
Okay.
Move it closer. Wait. Jeez. Uh-oh. I may have overfilled it, but whatever.
Wee.
Okay, that's enough. Go back.
Wee.
I love you. You love me. We will bake some cake, cupcake baby. Ooh.
One more.
Yes, I know. I gotta wait. Hold on, mommy. Hold on. Hold on. Let go. Let go, Polly. Please let go. Perfect. Yes.
Wow, Mommy, a flag? Wow. What the hell? What hell?
Hold on. Wait. It's
Mommy,
too much.
how body? Wow. I put oven. I put in a cupcake.
Okay. And then this is what we need to do, Polly, okay? Shake it. Shake it. That's enough. Stop dipping your finger. Go like this. Okay. Show you what you're doing. Okay. Good job. All right. Now let's turn on your oven.
Oven.
No, that's the wrong one. Over here. Press it on. Right here. Put bake and then start, okay? Here. Press bake. This one.
Okay.
And then start. Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect, yes.
Mommy, I put oven.
Yes, you will put it in the oven. Hold on.
Mommy.
Put it in the oven. Okay, you got it?
Yeah. Mommy, more.
Okay. One more? Okay.
My God.
Hold on. Are we putting it this way or this way? Okay, push it in.
My body. My body.
Say, okay, bye everyone.
Bye.
We'll see you soon.
I mean, cupcakes.
Chupla? Chupla? Oh, you dancing now? Shake. Shake your booty. Say bye everyone.
Bye.
Chupla. Love you.